Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update the USB drivers on Windows 11. Yes, you heard right. I will tell you the simple and easy steps. So let's get on it. Go to search bar and type device manager. Search for device manager, open here, double click on it, maximize the window, and now in this window you can see the listed driver list. So you have to go to the last one, which is universal serial bus controllers, which is USB controllers. Double click on it and you can see all the options here. So you have to go to the USB composite device and right click on it. Remember, right click on it and go to the update driver option. Now you can see the two options here: search automatic for drivers as well as browse my computer for drivers. So you have to click on first one, search automatically for drivers. So in my case, I've already installed the latest drivers. You can check in your PC or laptop whether you got an update or not. After checking this, close this window, again close this window and move to search, and this time you have to open the settings menu. So search for the settings and open settings. In the left side you can see all the listed settings options. So go to the last one, which is Windows Update, and click on check for updates. It will start checking for the latest USB drivers, and till then you can like my video and subscribe my channel. I keep bringing the best videos out there on Windows 11, and just stay calm and you have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, now you can see your in my case I've already installed. You can check in your PC or laptop whether you got an USB driver update or not. If you got an update, just download and install in your Windows 11. So guys, this was a video on how to update your USB drivers. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.